Online surveys are a great way to collect feedback, opinions, and data from your target audience. Whether you want to conduct market research, measure customer satisfaction, or gather feedback on your products or services, online surveys can help you achieve your goals. But how do you create an effective online survey that gets high response rates and quality data? In this blog post, we will share some tips and best practices on how to design, distribute, and analyze online surveys. How to design an online survey. The first step in creating an online survey is to define your objectives and research questions. What do you want to learn from your respondents? What kind of data do you need to answer your questions? How will you use the data to make decisions or improve your business? Once you have a clear idea of your goals, you can start designing your survey questions. Here are some guidelines to follow. 1. Use simple and clear language. 1. Avoid jargon, acronyms, and technical terms that your respondents may not understand. 1. Use short and simple sentences that are easy to read and comprehend. 2. Avoid leading, biased, or loaded questions. 2. These are questions that suggest a certain answer or influence the respondent's opinion. 2. For example, instead of asking, "How much do you love our product?" ask, "How satisfied are you with our product?" 3. Use closed-ended questions whenever possible. 3. These are questions that have a fixed set of answers that the respondent can choose from, such as yes, no, multiple choice, rating scales, or Likert scales. 3. Closed-ended questions are easier to answer and analyze than open-ended questions, which allow the respondent to write their own answer in a text box. 4. Use open-ended questions sparingly and only when necessary. 4. These are questions that can provide more insight and detail than closed-ended questions, but they also require more effort and time from the respondent and the researcher. 4. Use open-ended questions when you want to capture the respondent's thoughts, feelings, or experiences in their own words, or when you want to explore a topic that is not covered by the closed-ended questions. 5. Use skip logic and branching to create a personalized and relevant survey experience. 5. Skip logic and branching are features that allow you to show or hide certain questions based on the respondent's previous answers. 5. For example, if you ask the respondent if they have used your product before, and they answer no, you can skip the questions about their satisfaction and feedback on your product, and instead ask them about their awareness and interest in your product. 6. Keep your survey short and concise. 6. The length of your survey can affect the response rate and the quality of the data. 6. Generally, the shorter the survey, the higher the response rate and the lower the dropout rate. 6. Aim for a survey that takes no more than 10 minutes to complete, and limit the number of questions to 10-15. How to distribute an online survey. The next step in creating an online survey is to decide how to reach your target audience and invite them to participate in your survey. There are many ways to distribute an online survey, such as 1. Email. You can send an email invitation to your existing customers, subscribers, or contacts, or you can purchase or rent an email list from a reputable provider. 1. Email is one of the most popular and effective ways to distribute an online survey, as it allows you to personalize your message, track your delivery and response rates, and follow up with reminders or thank you notes. 2. Website. You can embed your survey on your website or blog, or use a pop-up or banner ad to direct visitors to your survey. 2. Website surveys are useful for capturing feedback from your website visitors, such as their satisfaction, preferences, or behavior. 3. Social media. You can share your survey link on your social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. 3. Social media surveys are ideal for reaching a large and diverse audience, as well as generating buzz and engagement around your brand or topic. 4. Mobile. You can create a mobile-friendly survey that can be accessed via smartphones or tablets. 4. Mobile surveys are convenient for respondents who are on the go or prefer using their mobile devices over desktops or laptops. 5. Offline. You can also distribute your survey offline by printing QR codes or URLs on flyers, posters, business cards, or other materials that can be scanned or typed by respondents. 5. Offline surveys are suitable for reaching audiences that are not online or have limited internet access. Whichever method you choose to distribute your online survey, make sure to 1. Test your survey before sending it out. 1. Check for spelling, grammar, formatting, logic, and functionality errors. 1. Ask a few people to take your survey and provide feedback on the clarity, relevance, and length of the questions. 2. Craft a compelling subject line or headline. 2. This is the first thing that your potential respondents will see when they receive or encounter your survey invitation. 2. Make it catchy, concise, and clear about what the survey is about and why they should take it. 3. Provide an incentive or reward. 3. Offering a reward, such as a discount, coupon, gift card, or entry into a prize draw, can increase the response rate and the motivation of your respondents. 3. However, be careful not to offer a reward that is too large or too small, as it may affect the quality and validity of the data. 3. Also, make sure to comply with the ethical and legal guidelines of your industry and country when offering incentives. 4. Respect your respondents' privacy and consent. 4. Always inform your respondents about the purpose, scope, and duration of your survey, as well as how you will use, store, and protect their data. 4. Provide an option for them to opt out or unsubscribe from your survey at any time. 4. Follow the best practices and regulations of data protection and privacy, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the European Union. How to analyze an online survey. The final step in creating an online survey is to analyze the data and report the results. Depending on the type and complexity of your survey, you can use different tools and techniques to analyze your data, such as 1. Descriptive statistics. These are numerical measures that summarize the main features of your data, such as the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, frequency, or percentage. 1. Descriptive statistics can help you understand the distribution, central tendency, and variability of your data. 2. Inferential statistics. These are methods that allow you to test hypotheses and draw conclusions about your data, such as t-tests, ANOVA, chi-square tests, correlation, or regression. 2. Inferential statistics can help you determine the significance, relationship, or effect of your data. 3. Qualitative analysis. This is a process of examining and interpreting the non-numerical data from your open-ended questions, such as text, images, audio, or video. 3. Qualitative analysis can help you identify themes, patterns, or insights from your data. 4. Data visualization. This is a way of presenting your data in graphical or pictorial forms, such as charts, graphs, tables, or maps. 4. Data visualization can help you communicate your data in a clear and engaging way. When analyzing and reporting your online survey results, make sure to 1. Clean your data before analysis. 1. This involves checking for errors, inconsistencies, outliers, or missing values in your data. 1. You may need to remove or replace invalid or incomplete responses, or exclude respondents who did not meet your criteria or did not complete the survey. 2. Segment your data by relevant variables. 2. This involves grouping your data by different categories or characteristics that are important for your research question. 2. For example, you may want to compare the responses of different age groups, genders, locations, or segments of your customers. 3. Interpret your data with caution and context. 3. This involves explaining what your data means and how it relates to your objectives and research questions. 3. Avoid making claims or generalizations that are not supported by your data or go beyond the scope of your survey. 3. Consider the limitations and assumptions of your data and analysis methods. Conclusion. Online surveys are a powerful tool for collecting feedback and data from your target audience. By following these tips and best practices on how to design, distribute, and analyze online surveys, you can create effective surveys that will help you achieve your goals and improve your business. If you need more help or inspiration for creating online surveys, you can check out some of the online survey platforms that offer templates, examples, and guides on how to create online surveys. Some of these platforms are 1. SurveyMonkey, a popular online survey platform that offers a variety of features and integrations for creating and analyzing online surveys. 2. Typeform, a user-friendly online survey platform that allows you to create interactive and engaging online surveys. 3. Google Forms, a free online survey platform that is part of the Google Workspace suite of tools. 4. Qualtrics, a professional online survey platform that offers advanced features and analytics for creating and analyzing online surveys. We hope you found this post helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback about online surveys or this blog post, please feel free to leave a comment below.